Well, it's 2010. Today's September 28th. Hey, it's Richard's birthday today, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
I haven't told him happy birthday yet. And this is Pivot 13. And we could finish today, but I just got a call from Jerry Swisher saying that we're too hot and that they would like us to quit.
Oh, no.
And so we're going to have to shut down for the day. I'll probably let them finish this round. Evan looks like he's just getting ready to start loading Irma.
And I've been praying for this hot weather. It's gonna be hot most of the week.
Yeah, there he goes.
Supposed to be 91 today, I think. Who's driving that thing?
The machine that just started is Evan.
Is Evan in it?
He's in his tractor. And then further down the field, there they go.
Don't tell him to stop.
Got a couple more trucks, and Samuel is clear down at the end here. See how close we can zoom in on him.
There's another bike down there. Is this your bike?
No, probably Pedro's.
A blue one?
Yeah. Off in the distance is Spring Creek, Pivot 10. Pivot 9. And it's a gorgeous, beautiful, hot day.